How to use Hula AI Video Generator app. On iOS, search Hula in the App Store and tap Get. On Android, find it on Google Play under Hula AI Video Generator and tap Install. Then set up permissions, launch the app and grant access to your camera and photos. You'll land on a clean UI with toggles for photo to video, video remixes, avatars, stickers, and more. Note that when I downloaded the app, I couldn't make any AI content without paying. So whatever I clicked on, it just told me to pay a subscription. 3. Choose your mode. So let's, for example, select a selfie and pick a theme. You can do Paris stroll, magazine shoot. I'm gonna pick jet flex. After that, generate your video. Tap generate. Processing takes around 30 seconds to 2 minutes based on length and effects. Watch a progress animation, then view the result in app. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.